Is your Google Docs still blinding you or stuck in dark mode and you can't figure out how to change it? Here's the fastest fix. So first, you should know this. Google Docs on desktop doesn't actually have a built-in dark mode switch. It depends on your Windows settings or browser. To turn on dark mode through Windows, go to your Start menu and open Settings. Then click Personalization and go to Colors. Under Choose Your Mode, select Dark. Once you switch this, parts of Google Docs in your browser will automatically adapt to the dark theme. If you want full dark mode inside Google Docs, you'll need to use a Chrome extension that forces dark mode on websites. I recommend Docs After Dark. Just install one, enable it, and refresh Google Docs. It will instantly turn dark. You can alter the settings yourself and it should look like this. Without extensions, Windows Dark Mode is the main way Google Docs will change its look. And that's it, quick and simple. If this helped you, leave a like and subscribe for more tech tutorials like this.